This Coldwell Banker Pacesetter Steel Realtors property video is presented by Janice Cruz. Great home located right on the outskirts of Beeville, this neighborhood is surrounded by gorgeous trees with new homes being built in the area. This home has so much to offer, including an open floor plan. It has been updated throughout. Grand room has walk-in shower and is in a split floor plan. Did I mention it is on just under 1/4 of an acre? There is a side wrap garage with a gate so you can park an RV or trailer, or do almost anything. For more information, review the details below or contact Janice Cruz at 361-229-0535.